How to sign up for Netflix on TV. Netflix is one of the most popular streaming services, offering a vast collection of movies, TV shows, and original content. Signing up for Netflix directly on your TV is simple and allows you to start streaming instantly. Follow the steps below to create an account and set up Netflix on your smart TV or streaming device. 1. Ensure your TV is connected to the internet. Before signing up, make sure your smart TV or streaming device is connected to a stable internet connection. You can do this through Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable for a more reliable connection. 2. Open the Netflix app. Most smart TVs come with the Netflix app pre-installed. If you don't see the app on your home screen, go to your TV's app store and download it. 3. Select Sign Up or Join Now. When you open the Netflix app for the first time, you will be presented with the options to sign in or sign up. Choose Sign Up to start the registration process. 4. Scan the QR code or visit the Netflix website. Netflix will provide a QR code and a website link on your TV screen. You can either scan the QR code with your smartphone or go to the website on a computer or mobile browser. 5. Choose a subscription plan. Netflix offers different subscription plans based on your streaming needs. Standard with ads. Affordable plan with ad interruptions. Standard, no ads. HD streaming on up to 2 devices. Premium, no ads. 4K streaming on up to 4 devices simultaneously. Select the plan that best fits your needs and proceed. 6. Create a Netflix account. Enter your email address and create a secure password. This will be used to log into Netflix across different devices. 7. Enter payment information. Provide a valid payment method such as a credit card, debit card, PayPal, or other accepted digital payment options. Some regions may offer carrier billing through mobile providers. 8. Link your account to your TV. Once the payment is confirmed, return to your TV screen and follow the instructions to link your new Netflix account. This may involve entering a code displayed on your TV into the Netflix website. 9. Start streaming on Netflix. After completing the setup, you can browse and start watching Netflix content directly on your TV. You can also personalize your account by setting up multiple profiles for different users in your household. If you do not wish to continue after the first billing cycle, remember to cancel before the renewal date to avoid being charged. By following these steps, you can easily sign up for Netflix on your TV and enjoy unlimited access to a wide range of entertainment.